in this video we're going to talk about compound clips and how you can change your timeline from looking like this to something like this. So let's get into it. So what a compound clip basically is taking multiple layers and crushing them down into one layer. So here in this timeline, this is a video I made previously called 4 More Shortcuts. Check it out if you haven't, it's pretty good. But here you can see we have a bunch of text all layered on top of each other to get this effect here. And so what you can do is highlight them all, and then you can turn them into a compound clip. So you can hit new compound clip. You can name it whatever you want. Let's call it text. And then all of those layers go into one layer. And then you can move this up and down if you wanted to, and all of it's gonna stick together, which is pretty cool. As you can see here, earlier I already had a compound clip in here. It is my up menu. You can see it's just some layers, and then in my main timeline, there it is, just one single clip that I can move up and down if I wanted to. So that's it, really. It's pretty easy. If you want to go back and edit what you had in there, you can right click, select open in timeline, and that's going to open this up, and there's everything you had before, and then you can go ahead and edit whatever you need to edit. As I was editing this video, I noticed that I forgot to mention something. So when you open your compound clip, you're going to want to come over and hit this button, and then you're going to want to select stacked timelines. If you don't do that, you might run into the problem where let's say we make these a compound clip and go to open it. It just opens it and you don't see your other timeline. You can just select this, boom, and then there's your other timeline. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment what you want to see next, subscribe for more. I appreciate all the support, and thanks for watching.